Ross 318b, the closest temperate world we've found in a decade. January 2025. Astronomers catalogue a planet twice Earth's mass circling Ross 318, a red dwarf 26 light-years from our solar system. Ross 318 appeared in the Gliese catalogue in 1957, a magnitude 11 red dwarf in Draco, invisible to the naked eye. On November 12, 2024, radial velocity instruments at the European Southern Observatory recorded a 17.4-day periodic wobble in the star's spectrum. The signal matched a planet 2.2 Earth masses, pulling Ross 318 through space as it orbited. Designated Ross 318b, the planet sits 0.096 astronomical units from its host, closer than Mercury to our Sun. At that distance around a cooler M-dwarf, surface temperatures model between -10 and +20 Celsius. Liquid water remains thermodynamically possible, but the star's age changes the equation. Ross 318 formed roughly 5 billion years ago, contemporary with our own Sun. M-dwarfs burn hydrogen at 1/10 the rate of solar-type stars. They can live 10 trillion years. Ross 318, however, shows elevated chromospheric activity and flare events catalogued by TESS photometry in 2019. Spectroscopic measurements place it in late middle age for a red dwarf, already 10% through its total fuel reserve. Then astronomers pulled the atmospheric models. Thermal emission spectroscopy scheduled for JWST Cycle 4 will determine whether Ross 318b retained an atmosphere. The case now hinges on one variable. Ross 318b's atmospheric composition remains unknown. Ross 318b orbits a dying star locked in permanent twilight with a habitable zone narrower than any we've mapped. Whether it holds water or ice, atmosphere or vacuum remains unresolved until 2026. The detection file closes, but the investigation has just begun. Subscribe to @WonderWizBros for the next cosmic cold case. Subscribe to @WonderWizBros for cosmic cases.